Go!
Like a horse. I'm so nervous. I don't know how to do this.
You're doing fine.
Hey, are you on there?
He's on.
Wrap your legs around here.
He's ready to go. Let's go.
Alright, ready? This is not for adult use.
No, 110 pounds. That's why I'm only sliding my foot.
You're going to shoot him over the top.
His face is getting all busted with water.